G'day guys, so today on the Shed Sesh I'm going to take you through how I organise my sockets. Okay, so I was trying to work out how to organise all my sockets and spanners and that one day, and stumbled across on Amazon these Ernst socket holders. They come with these little clips, and they won't come off. What you'll find is we'll take some close-ups in a sec, but there's three. You buy them in 3 rails. I think you can get 2 rails, and you can get them different lengths as well. And what you'll find is you've got them in 1/2 inch. I think it's 3/8 and 1/4. So we've got the three sizes there, and I had 3 individual socket sets. I've had a Repco 1/2 inch socket set I've had for 20 years. I've got I think it's 3/8. The next the next one down, and I've had that a couple of years now, and I just wanted to get them out of the cases and get them over into the mobile tool chest, but I wanted them accessible and easily identifiable. So as I said, you've got the little clips that you can stick on the rails. You've also got these clips that will hold your shift, your spanners and your ratchets. So they do come with stickers that you can put on each of them, so you know exactly where they go. I haven't done that yet, but I will get there. And you can get other aftermarket or other parts, still Ernst, that'll allow you to stand them up, mount them to a wall or the side of a toolbox as well. So what I'll do, I'll put a link down the bottom to the Amazon Amazon links down below. I will let you know it is an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you guys any more, but if you do click on it, these things weren't expensive. They were, I was really surprised at how cheap they were, and I wasn't expecting much when they turned up, but they're bloody fantastic, really well made, and hold the sockets. So as you can see here, what I've done is give it the whole, split them up. So I've got 1/2, 3/8, 1/4 inch. And what I've done there, I've kept all the metric in one go. A lot of the time, for instance, I'm working on the 1-tonner. I don't need any metric, so all I need to do is grab the Imperial. So and here you can get these little clips as well that just allow you to put them in. And the reason I got the yellow, it just differentiated it from the other 2. I think they're the only 3 colors you can get it in. As you can see here, all you do is there's this little locking clip there. Excuse all the shadows. Clip it over, and the whole bit comes out. And see there, and this is where, if you had this up on the wall, you could put this in there, clip it in, and you can fit 4 in that rack there. Now these are the little clips that literally just fit over there, bang, clipped on. Now one thing I did like about these, these may not suit everybody, but they're as I said, really good. 1/4 turn, pull them up, put them down, 1/4 turn, can't get them off. So I did struggle to find these on on Amazon. And as I said, these just hold your spanners and your extensions. Sorry, your ratchets and your extensions. But I'll put a link in the description of the company I used to buy them. It was an Australian company. Main problem with that was the shipping was ridiculous. But I'd already got these. I wanted to complete it off. So you will find that you won't use all of them. You can get extra, buy extra ones of these. They're like a few bucks for like a dozen of them. They're just super cheap. When they do lock on, as you can see, you've got the sort of the ribbing on the side. They don't actually slide up and down either, so you can get them in the right spot, and then they don't move. So well worth it, I think. Again, there's all the stickers. You can just peel them off, and I think the idea there is you can just stick them right on the edge of the clips. So at a glance, you can see what's what. They do come in these plastic cases. As I said, they do come in 2 lengths, and I think you can get either 2 rows or 3 rows. So there you go, guys. As I said, links down below for the in the description for the Amazon page. It is, as mentioned, is an affiliate link, but I wouldn't recommend them if I thought they were rubbish. So as mentioned, just get one for you got 1/4 inch set of spanners, or not spanners, but sockets. You can get on there, buy one. As I said, very reasonably priced. Have a play around with them. If you want to get more for the rest of your set, order more. So anyway, guys, love your work. Get in the shed.